Welcome to the Zeo Route Planner tutorial series. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of linking your drivers with the fleet platform. Step 1. Add drivers on the platform. First, navigate to the Drivers tab on your fleet platform and click on Add Driver. You'll need to provide some essential details to get started. For the basic driver details, which must match the details the driver has added in their app, you will need email ID. This is mandatory. Name, phone number. Next, you'll enter fleet-specific details. These aren't required for linking, but are necessary if you want to assign drivers routes with specific requirements, such as store, the store associated with the driver; skills, any special skills the driver possesses; vehicle, the vehicle assigned to the driver; work hours, the start and end times of the driver's shift; break time, start and end times for breaks during the shift. Step 2. Save and notify the driver. Once you've saved these details, the driver will receive a notification to join the fleet. If they somehow miss this notification, they should then follow these steps. The driver should open the mobile app, go to My Profile, select Connections, and tap on the Invites tab to view the connection request. After accepting the invite, they can verify their connection under the Linked tab, which displays all linked fleet owners. And that's it. You've successfully linked your drivers to the fleet platform. Thank you for choosing Zeo Route Planner, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.